what you're going to see is this giant thing going on in a U shape down through New Mexico, back up through Arizona, going up into Nevada, and all along through California, down along the San Andreas. It's following the faults down into Mexico. So last night, and you won't see this last night, I don't think. You'd have to be looking last night. Down in Mexico, there was a straight line of clouds coming from the mountains, as if a fault is steaming or something. I'm not saying that a fault is steaming. I would say something much greater is going on. Much, much greater. So other people are talking about the storm formation happening here because of atmospheric river flows coming from the Pacific. No one is taking into account the huge amount of smoke that's coming in from the northwest, which you can see here at sunrise, and throughout the day today, it should really become illuminated to the point where you can barely even see through it. The amount of smoke coming out of Canada. So with the weather out in California, and I see it blowing up along the fault, it literally is, this is current right now. Now, yesterday, storms blowing in from over here to the east and blowing up and going to the west. So it's not coming from the Pacific, at least in yesterday. With all the particulate matter from the smoke, I wouldn't be surprised. But when I start seeing stuff like this, Fraser Park, Southern California, and then look at this line of... Right, okay, it's just when you start seeing stuff like that, you need to pay attention, just in case. Just in case what? Heat being released along fault zone. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Heat being released causes steaming in the aquifer, steaming up to the surface, basically. Not like geysers. Over many miles, it would just be mass evaporation over a huge area as heat comes up on the underside of the plate. Let's go in and take a look and just show you what I'm talking about here. So here we are this morning. So now, this shape here should be significant for a lot of people who watch my channel. Right through here. Why would that shape matter to a lot of people? The deformed edge of the craton, the purple part. The purple part is getting this. And it's getting excessive to the point where people are noticing. Okay, like normal people are noticing, asking questions and stuff. Now, this is all happening here in the States with all the steam off. Then up to the north, you got the fire situation going on that's absolutely insane. It's next level, man. Look at yesterday. Watch this. Here's yesterday. This is all smoke. Over to the east, everything east of the mountains is smoke with a few white clouds mixed in. That's all smoke. Where it gets real milky over here, all of this. And it's blowing up even more last night. Now you'll notice atmospheric flow coming in from the south, going up to the northwest. I think they're probably doing as much weather modification as they can on this. Who knows what they're using? Probably every trick in the book. So showing this to you because this is happening on the north side of the craton up to the north. Then across the craton, down to the south, we're getting this massive steam-off type event following the edge of the freaking craton itself. Pardon my language. Freaking is not a bad word, but almost. And then we go down to Mexico, and it's carrying on with actual fires and blasts at volcanoes. It could be regular precipitation. It could. But at this point, I'm not ignoring anything.